Night Stalker tacos. Let's talk about it.
What did he say?
First thing we're going to do is we're going to fry up some alligator. We're going to be putting vampire sauce on top of our Night Stalker tacos. Vampire? Yes, this vampire. In the meantime, let's try out vampire sauce. Damn, that's fine stuff. Oh, this is gonna go real nice on top of that. Just as a quick reminder, I can't give out the vampire sauce. That's Stephanie's recipe, and I don't want that smoke.
Yeah, I don't want the smoke.
Time to plate. Get us some of that gator right there, baby. Yeah. Homemade taco slaw. Of course, it's gonna go everywhere. How to get you some of that Colby Jack. Now let's try this again. Yeah, there we go. Oop, he was acting right. There we go. All right, let's sit down and taste this. All important taste test. That just makes you want to go. And as always, thanks for coming and checking me out. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit a like. If you want to share it with somebody, hit that share button too. Peace.